Pranam everyone. Welcome to Shakti, discovering the divine feminine. Well, these are the 9 days in the year where the lunar or the feminine energy on this planet is on the heights. And this time we are trying to discover the true sense of divine feminine, that is Shakti. People have worshipped her in various forms. In India, every village has a form of her. Everyone sees her in different ways. Some people call her Kali, some people call her Durga, some people call her by various names, Amba, Jagadamba. But in a true sense, she is just one, and that is Shakti. Well, there is one day in a year where we celebrate masculine, that is Shivaratri, but there are 9 days to celebrate the feminine. Because her power is such ecstatic that it takes a lot of time for people to digest. But once you welcome her in the life, there is no looking back. Who is Devi? Who is Shakti? Does she have a form? Is she the one with 8 hands sitting on a lion? What is it exactly? Well, Shakti can be the highest possible energy you can imagine. Even Adi Shankara said that Shiva is as still as dead without Shakti. So, these are these 9 days in a year where you get to celebrate the feminine. And we have given the supreme power, the quality of feminine, because everything originates from a feminine energy. So even she exists as her. Now, what exactly is Devi? Who is Devi? How to access her? How to call her? What to call her? Is what we'll be exploring these 9 days from today onwards. Devi is seen in 9 different forms, especially 9 different forms. And everything has something to learn from. Like today, the first day, she is worshipped as Shailaputri, or the daughter of mountain, especially Mount Kailash. Now, do we look her as a daughter, as a form, or what exactly is this day special for? Well, when I say mountain, a daughter of mountain, that means she is the highest. She is on the peaks. So, to learn from her is to be peaks all the time. No matter what work you do, what emotion you are in, even if you are angry, you are at the peaks of anger. She is known as Kali. You are happy, you should be peaks of happiness. So she is seen in every other form. She exists in every other being. She exists in every single thing we see from our eyes. Her ecstasy is so much that it's just oozing out of every possible thing you can imagine. She is Devi. She is Shakti. So these 9 days are dedicated to her celebrating. We'll have various things going on ahead. We have prepared for you. So, let us together access Shakti and be in her grace. So, to access Devi or the Shakti, we have prepared a small little, I would say we call it Devi Nada Aradhana. Nada literally translates to sound. Aradhana literally translates to worship. This is not a regular worship. It's kind of a meditative worship. So, for the next 6 to 8 minutes, I want you to sit closing your eyes, putting your hands right in between, exactly in between on the chest, both the hands on the chest. Just close your eyes And if you listen, Devi, just repeat it. And you will definitely be in the ecstasy of Shakti.
Devi, 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 Mahamai, Maheshwari, Shambhavi, Mahakali, Durga Shakti, Durga Shakti, Devi, 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 Mahamai, Maheshwari, Shambhavi, Mahakali, Durga शक्ति देवी 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 महामाई महेश्वरी शांभवी काली दुर्गे शक्ति दुर्गे शक्ति देवी 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 महामाई महेश्वरी शांभवी महाकाली Shakti. Devi, 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 Devi,
That was the first start to Shakti today. We'll be continuing same for the next coming 8 days. Hope you all stay with us and be a part of this ecstatic experience. We go on a journey of discovering Shakti. There are certain exercises, or I would say, there are certain dhyanas which we have prepped for a certain number of people. If you want to access Devi more, you can definitely go on to that. We have already got people who have registered with us, so you can also definitely go, hop on and register. 9 days after this session, you will be receiving a particular dhyanam, a video again, which will be in particular to bring in Devi's energy into the lives. So hope to see you all there as well. Pranam and thank you for joining us for today.